And this apartment has direct ocean views. You can see lots of people right on the beach right there. Sailboats going by. And that's the front windows that you get to enjoy when you're in this apartment. We just finished having the floors done. It's got lovely built-in cabinetry and this very cool Mayan Revival tile. And there's ocean views from this window. And this one, that is Lifeguard Tower 22. There's a restaurant and volleyball down there. We are approximately 6/10 of a mile from Santa Monica Pier. And this is 2217 Ocean Avenue. High ceilings and big wide wood corners and very tall molding, built-in cabinetry. That is very deep, holds a lot of china. Hall closet here. That is full air conditioning and forced air heat. It's rare to have air conditioning here in Santa Monica, let alone when you're down at the beach. I can see a sailboat going by on the water from here, the dining room. And it's got some very nice features. Now, so you have ocean view from the living room, the dining room, and here in the kitchen. Disposer, light, full-size, high-end dishwasher. High-end on the refrigerator, good stove, lots of cabinetry. This folds out into a little bench for breakfast. That's usually where some glasses will go or something. And there's bread drawers and good storage with trays that slide out for your pans. Laundry room, and you have your own hot water heater. Ta-da! So my theory is, if you run out of hot water, you probably did it to yourself. All right, so now let's take a look at the hallway and the bedrooms. Antique tile, full bath, hallway. We have a linen closet here that's very, very deep. Guest bedroom. And this is where you appreciate that the ceilings are very high. Now, the master bedroom will be carpeted, and if you make an offer soon, you get to pick what color, what type, how thick. This is the small bathroom off the and we kept the tile theme with Catalina tiles. It's very cool. Those birds do not need to stay there, but the previous resident, she liked them. And then out the back, you have your own private garage, and this is shared space. This space here was predominantly used by 2217, and that's used by the other people on the other side. And Down the walkway this way is a pass-through that goes to the street. Down this way is the alley, which is actually called Ocean Court for this one block in between Pacific and Strand. So you get this garage on this street. Nice and easy, well maintained, high-end condos on this side and on that side. And so that's the tour. Thank you for coming along. Laundry is inside your unit, trash is out here, and I'll walk you through one last time. Back door off the laundry, back door off the bedroom. Office or guest bedroom. Full bath with extra cupboards. Those cupboards are kind of cool. And you can walk through your kitchen or into the front dining area and living room.